All right, 12x equals negative 3. 12x is a multiplication problem. 12 times x. So I'm going to divide to get rid of the 12. So x equals, this is another weird one, 3 divided by 12. It's going to be a fraction. So all I have to do is reduce and leave it alone. We're not going to turn it into a decimal. But negative divided by positive will be negative. I can divide both of these numbers by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the simplest answer is negative 1/4. Do not make it a decimal. We're going to keep it as a fraction. X equals negative 1/4. And our last problem, we have a division problem. This is x divided by 6. Opposite of division is multiplication. We're going to divide by 6. We're going to multiply. Opposite of division is multiplication. We're multiplying by 6 on both sides. 8 times 6 is 48. Final answer. It's time for your exit ticket. Use your notes. Make sure you're looking to figure out what's the opposite operation, because that's how you're going to solve all these. Pay attention to your signs. Remember, negative divided by negative is positive. So just pay attention to your signs, okay?